know what you said, dude.
We're going to Jason's. You ready? You ready? You ready, Lehman?
What?
Why does his hair blow?
Whose?
Yours.
My hair blows?
His hair just blew.
It's so loud.